This is the new Chevy Silverado ZR2. Check it out. Chevy Silverado ZR2 lets everyone know this isn't an ordinary half-ton pickup truck. While it's not as extreme as the high-flying Ford F-150 Raptor or the 700-horsepower Ram 1500 TRX, the ZR2 is the most formidable full-size truck in Chevy's showroom. Along with its intimidating appearance, it has a 420-horsepower V8, rides on 33-inch tall tires, and features a tricked-out suspension. The latter includes Multimatic spool valve dampers that are derived from Formula One cars and Baja race trucks. Its interior is also decked out with a digitized dashboard, and its crewcab-only body style means everyone can enjoy the ride when the blacktop ends. While it might not impress fans of Ford and Ram, the 2022 Silverado ZR2 gives the Bowtie brand a bona fide off-roader. Chevy hasn't said how much the Silverado ZR2 will cost when it goes on sale in the spring of 2022. Since it's positioned as the lineup's flagship, we expect it to cost about the same as the top-of-the-line High Country model, which currently starts around $55,000. Under the ZR2's bulging hood is the same naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 that's available in the regular Silverado 1500. The engine makes 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque and pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Every ZR2 features a four-wheel drive system with a 2-speed transfer case and electronic locking front and rear differentials. Stabilizing the truck's 18-inch wheels, which are shod with gnarly 33-inch off-road tires, is a specially tuned suspension that includes high-performance spool valve dampers. The truck's underside is protected by a unique skid plate package, and Chevy says the ZR2's high-mounted steel bumper provides a 31.8-degree approach angle, which is more than what's offered on the similarly lifted Silverado Trail Boss models. With a conventional trailer hitch, the Silverado ZR2 can tow up to 8,900 pounds. The half-ton pickup can also handle a payload of up to 1,440 pounds.